Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. In this particular video, I'll be putting down the expense of ACCA in a broad manner and also comparing normal investments which you need to make in different qualifications. First of all, understand this. Any money spent on education is an investment, it is not an expense. It is going to pay you back. And definitely ACCA is something which will add on skills in you, through which those skills you can monetize in your life later. All right, so I have got this question that, sir, ACCA is quite expensive, it's a bit expensive, shall we do it or not, kind of a question. Now let me just tell you, suppose if you want to be a doctor, what's the investment for it? And it's never an expense. What's the investment of becoming a doctor? The time which you invest, the years of time which you invest, the years of study which you invest, the amount of money which you invest. It's somewhere around, if you go to a better college, I hope that you guys can put it in the comment section below. I'm not going to say that. Suppose if you want to do engineering, and that to a specific engineering, now no doubt there are some scholarships also coming in out there, but what is the cost of investment which you need to make in an engineering, and the years which you need to make, like around 4 years you need to make, and that too it should be in demand. 100% engineers are in demand, all time they are in demand. There is nowhere said that there's a lot of engineers, there's no demand, there's nothing like that. But look into the investment which you need to make out there. I'm not going to tell an exact number here because it changes from country to country, state to state. So wherever you are, you should know better that how much the investment you need to make there. Suppose if you want to do chartered accountancy, what's the investment which you need to make? Somewhere around 2 to 3 lakh rupees in total, and around 5 years, 4.5 to 5 years minimum you need to invest, and it can go more than that also. Then let's see, if you want to do any other qualification related to finance, is a normal BCom which you can do. If you go towards a well reputed college, then somewhere around 1 lakh per annum would be your fee out there. Well reputed college. And a normal college, it can be around 10 to 20,000 also per annum, per semester. It depends on which college you choose. Now here, let's talk about what is the investment which you are going to make in ACCA. Why ACCA is much better investment when compared to your investment which you are going to make in a college, a BCom college, or somewhere else. Let me just explain. Now that's my point of view. You can have your point of view. If you oppose this point of view, you can put it down in the comment section. I respect that opinion which you have. But this is my point of view which I'm going to put it in front. If you are interested to listen to it, then you need to like this video, share this video, and if you resonate with that point of view. Now understand this. What happens in ACCA is that you invest around 3 to 4 lakh rupees in total in India. 3 to 4 lakh rupees for ACCA with your registration, examination, your tuition fees, your books, everything included. That would be the fee which you would be paying. Next is, with ACCA what happens? How soon you can complete it? You can complete it within 2 to 3 years depending on your preparation and how soon you can complete it. There's no hard and fast rule के you can complete ACCA in 2 years. जैसे कि एक BCom है, 3 years में हो जाएगा तो 3 साल में हो ही जाएगा. Okay. If it is a normal engineering, 4 साल की हो, 4 साल में हो ही जाएगी वो. If suppose you have backlogs, then it will take some time, but it will be done by that time. But in ACCA, it completely depends on you, at how much time you complete it. Then comes the flexibility. क्यों ACCA और अच्छा है इससे, मतलब एक नॉर्मल डिग्री से? अब जैसे देखो, आप कोई एक रेप्यूटेड कॉलेज में जाएंगे, then there will be a mandate on attendance. अगर थोड़ा और स्पेसिफिक उसको बोलूँ तो in a college there will be micromanagement. Micromanagement in the sense, what time you have come, what time you're leaving. You cannot have, you need to be specific, you need to be on time, you need to be having that 75%, 80% attendance. Then you will be allowed for the examination. You need to have weekly assignments submitted. Kind of that stuff will be there in college. Now that's always fine, but what happens in ACCA is that you are managing your own self. Now understand this. if you take the luxury of flexibility and misuse it, then you are spoiling your own life. Like suppose एग्ज़ाम आप कभी भी दे सकते हैं, तो बाद में देंगे, let's give it later, let's see when we are ready 100%, then we'll give the exam. That's the worst mistake which you can make if you're doing ACCA, my dear friend. Don't do that. This can ruin your career if you take that flexibility and abuse that flexibility. But if you take the luxury of flexibility and make 100% use of it and give your examination on time and as and when you require, that will help you a lot. And the best part in ACCA or different professional qualifications, if you look into, is that you can work while you are doing your ACCA. Like suppose, in fact, you need to work while doing ACCA. Why? Because that will give you the practical exposure and you're learning these subjects, and you have to give one paper at a time. You can give your exam 4 times a year, or else you can give at least 2 to 3 times a year according to your preparation, your job, what you're doing. You get ample of time to prepare for one paper, give that examination. But if you can't find time even to give that one paper with efficiency, then there is a serious problem which you are having, and that needs to be spoken about a lot. I hope that I'm making communication with you. I'm not just right here to just upload a video और आप वीडियो देख लो and then उसको likes आते जाओ, views बढ़ते जाओ, nothing like that. It's like, the person who is listening to this right now should get value from it and should be a bit disciplined, self-disciplined on himself, that yes, I need to complete this qualification, and you can do it. So I hope that if you are going to take up ACCA, you've watched this video, or suppose someone is willing to get started with ACCA, watch this video. These are the pros that, your flexibility can take you to places, but if you abuse that flexibility, then you're gone. Okay, then that will be the worst qualification for you. Worst qualification ever ACCA हो जाएगी फिर, क्यों? अगर आप flexibility को abuse करेंगे तो. And moreover, there will be no one telling you कि पढ़ लो, अभी पढ़ लो, आगे जाके कुछ कर लोगे. There's no one going to say you in ACCA for sure. Maybe in graduation, your stuff, there will be examination, everybody will be knowing, your relatives will be knowing when your examination is. They'll tell you that अरे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो या नहीं, marks क्या है, that questions will come. But in ACCA, nobody will know when your exam is. Only you know it. There will be odd times when your examinations will be there. First week of September, first week of December, first week of March, first week of June will be your examinations for the skills level. And for the knowledge level, it can be any time. At your home, you can give the examination and get your certificate from the ACCA body, which is located in UK. That's the value which you would be getting. I just wanted to explain the value about ACCA in this video. I hope that I've communicated many stuff. Why I'm putting it in more general terms is because I've made a lot of content and I keep getting messages and calls on a regular basis regarding ACCA. So one request which I want to do, which I want everyone to listen to this, is that please WhatsApp me only. Don't call me, because I'm really sorry, I'm not able to take calls that frequently which you guys give me calls. Just WhatsApp me, you will get the best response from my side. My team will get connected with you. I'll get connected with you over WhatsApp. That will be the best way to reach out to me. I hope that this all video is making sense for you. And if it is, share this video with an ACCA student or aspiring ACCA student who would get value from it. Thank you very much for watching till here. If there is something else also you would like to know about it, or there is something else which I have missed out from this video, put it down in the comment section. Let me know. Put it down in the WhatsApp message. Let me know. Let's get connected. Let's see how I can help you out, or in making a decision and getting started. Or if you are stuck somewhere in between, then also I'll help you out with it. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.